Students, on 23rd September 2 p.m. I'm taking wonderful workshop on GS PYQ analysis. So now here this GS PYQ analysis will help you to anticipate what they will ask in 2025 and we will study the trend in GS paper कि GS में किस स्टाइल के क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, from which subject, what is the weightage, we will study that. Plus we will make strategy for next 8 months, how we can target our pre-com means in next 3 months and later on prelims, so that you will not face problem in prelims 2025 or there will not be burden in the month of April and May regarding our preparation. And student, one more announcement, every offline participant will get complimentary gift from our side and we will have one quiz also, a journal quiz where like winner will get attractive prize from our side. So what you have to do, you have to register for this event. You can see the QR code on the screen, so kindly register. So it is on 23rd September 2 p.m. Thank you students.